Assalamu alaikum 6th class, it's 6th letter, lecture number 19 and page number 63. Today we have to talk about the lesson number 99, Mother to Son. Students, this is the poem and is written by Langston Hughes, and the main and major characters of this poem are mother and then son. In this poem, the mother is giving advice to his son about his life, that how should he carry on in his life without turning back or without seeing uh, the difficult or the crucial circumstances of his life. She gives him many uh, examples like the crystal clears and splinters and bare landings and such type of the examples she gives him to carry on. So let's start the theme of this lesson, of this poem in detail. Students, this poem is not only exhibits the bitter realities of the life but also gives an advice of hard work. एग्जिबिट मीन्स कि ये जो पोइम है सिर्फ हमें जो बीटर रियलिटीज़ हैं इसके बारे में ही बस दिखा के हमें डराती नहीं है, बल्कि हमें एक सबक देती है कि हमें अपनी ज़िंदगी में कैरी ऑन जो है वो कैसे करना चाहिए, हम कैसे स्ट्रगल कर सकते हैं. लाइक थ्रू द मदर द राइटर ट्राइज टू एक्सप्लेन द लेसन दैट नेवर टू क्विट इन लाइफ. के जो राइटर है मदर के ज़रिए हमें एक लेसन दे रहा है कि ज़िंदगी में हमें कभी भी जो है वो क्विट मीन्स स्टॉप नहीं करना चाहिए किसी भी जगह पे. द राइटर सेज डैट because the life is not been a crystal clear path for anyone, we will have to show our firm determination at every step of it. इट मीन्स कि हमें अपनी ज़िंदगी के हर कदम पर, हर न्यू डिसीजन पर फिल्म डिटर्मिनेशन जो है वो शो करना पड़ेगी अपने पर्पसेस को गेट करने के लिए. व्हेन वी थिंक टू गिव अप द थिंग्स, इन फैक्ट वी आर वेरी क्लोज टू आवर सक्सेस एट द टाइम. जब हम डिसीजन लेते हैं कि हमें जो चीज़ों को गिव अप कर देना चाहिए, एट द टाइम वी आर इन रियलिटी वेरी क्लोज टू आवर सक्सेस. हम अपनी कामयाबी के बहुत ज़्यादा करीब होते हैं. सो while carrying on your work, don't quit. And then he says that we are very close to our success in the two meanings, because one person who tries in his life, he cannot fail. If we fail, it doesn't matter. The struggle matters in the eye of God, and he will give us reward one day, and we should believe in this thing. So the main theme of the poem is that never concede and carry on with your work. Concede means give up, and these are the synonyms of all the words that are giving the meanings of giving up. So students, this is the main theme that we have discussed. So let's start the reading, that how to read. Well son, I'll tell you, life for me ain't, this word is ain't, been no clear cluster. It's had cracks in it and splinters and boards torn up and places with no carpet on the floor bare, but all the time eyes been a climbing on. Students, this is the old method that the writer or the poet has used in the old language, or in the old method the poets used to use the speaking style. This is the speaking style climbing, they not write the complete words, and he has used their eyes, and this is the old method to write has or is with the eye, because many scholars or people consider I a singular person, so they write is or has with the I. That's why. But in the modern English, it's not the proper way to write is or has with the I, because it is the singular person, but it carries the plural helping verb or verb with it. So in the modern English, we write am or have with the I. And he has used a word ain't. This is a contraction. Ain't means students is not, am not, was not, or has not. All the auxiliary verbs of the be family come in the ain't, and we can use with the suitable subjects. Okay students, after discussing the main theme of the reading, we should discuss the, or we should study the difficult word meanings. First, what is ain't? Shows an am not, is not, has not, have not. Clear? And ain't, we have used the contraction method here to write the helping verbs in the short way. And then word is boards. Planks means तख्ता कोई. टर्न बैक, गो बैक, पीछे कदम ले लेना, यहाँ अपनी मंजिल से मंजिल पर पहुँचने से पहले ही मुड़ जाना वापस. किंडर, गुड हार्टेड, नरम दिल, रहम दिल, अच्छे दिल का. कारपेट, फ्लोर कवरिंग, कारपेट को कवर करने वाला, फर्श को कवर करने वाला. आइस, non-standard contraction, as we have read about the contraction that is used to write the words or the auxiliary verbs in a short form of the words. Like was not, we write in the full form, and wasn't, haven't, hasn't, these are the these are in the form of contraction. Non-standard contraction of I is meaning I am B, and it is from the B family. And then reaching, reaching, this is the old method and speaking style. And going, going. I hope student that your concept is about the this poem is clear, and you got the word meanings in a proper way, and learn the book read meanings as well that are given on your book, and the word meanings that are given on your notes. In the next video, we'll inshallah discuss about the comprehension and the grammatical concepts that are given on your book. Till then, Allah Hafiz.